Hi everyone, I'm Sangwoo Kim. In this video, I would like to share how to do Tukey's HSD test for single factor experiments in a randomized block design. If you run our program and with HSD.test function with $statistics, you can see minimum significance difference here. And if you run Tukey HSD function with anova output with treatments and confidence level, you can see 95% family-wise confidence level. So I want to show you how to get this data in Excel. So we can calculate MSD by this formula, and the Q of critical value can be calculated by this formula in R. So we consider 5% significance level, and there are 5 replications, and degrees of freedom is 16, right? Because 4 times 4. So minimum significance difference can be calculated by Q multiplied by square root of MSE over number of replications, which is 5. Right. To say there is significant difference, the difference should be larger than, greater than this value. Okay. So I prepared pairwise comparisons. So let's calculate difference, mean difference between two. So we can use VLOOKUP function. Lookup value here, and comma, table array. Sorry, VLOOKUP. Table array here, press F4, comma 2, first minus VLOOKUP. The right side of comparison, and comma, table array, same table array, press F4, comma 2. Alright. And then we can calculate lower and upper. So mean difference minus MSD. Press F4. Right. And to calculate upper bounds, mean difference plus MSD, press F4. Right. So as you can see, we have got same results, right? Also, we can see Tukey's HSD result by graph. So if you use plot function, we can get this output. So in the previous video, I explained to you how to analyze the difference between two treatments. So if this interval includes 0, it means that there is no significant difference between two treatments. So BNA and ENA does not include 0 in this interval. So we can say that there is significant, statistically significant difference between treatment BNA and treatment ENA, right? And also, if you see adjusted p-value, right? So you can see BNA shows less than 5% significance level, right? And ENA, yeah, 0.026, so below than 5%. So according to Tukey's analysis, there are two mean difference, right? So in the previous video, I explained to you how to use Fisher's LSD, right? In this case, we only see that there's a significant difference between treatments A and D, A and B, and A and E. So in Fisher's LSD case, A and D shows significant difference in terms of mean. But A and D here, yeah. In Tukey's HSD method, the difference between treatment D and A does not have significant difference. That's it for today. So I hope you have understood how to use Tukey HSD. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you to understand Tukey HSD. Thank you.